Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 22 kitchen gadgets you can buy on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1, Herbal and Butter Infusion Machine. Introducing the Ella Bella Herbal and Butter Infusion Machine, your ticket to crafting enchanting herbal infusions and magical herbal butter with just a press of a button. Unleash your culinary creativity effortlessly, infuse herbs into oils, butters, and more, and watch as your creations captivate your taste buds. Elevate your culinary journey with Ella Bella today. Number 2, Foldable Silicone Trivets. Introducing the Function 3-pack Foldable Silicone Trivets in a sleek gray color. These innovative trivets offer both style and functionality. Their non-slip design ensures your pots and pans stay put, while the cross-compact design allows for easy expansion to accommodate different sizes. Made from high-quality silicone, they're heat-resistant and easy to clean. When not in use, simply fold them up for compact storage. Elevate your kitchen with these versatile and space-saving trivets. Get your 3-pack today and experience the convenience of Function Foldable Silicone Trivets. Number 3, U.S. Kitchen Supply. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the U.S. Kitchen Supply Stainless Steel Fine Mesh Splatter Screen Set. This trio of 13-inch, 11.5, and 9.5 screens, complete with black comfort grip handles and resting feet, is your secret weapon against splatters and spills. Perfect for use on boiling pots and sizzling frying pans, they keep your stovetop mess-free and safe. The fine mesh design effectively guards against grease and oil while allowing steam to escape, ensuring your cooking remains hassle-free. Elevate your culinary game and enjoy peace of mind while you cook with U.S. Kitchen Supply's Splatter Screen Set. Order yours now. Number 4, PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener. Introducing the PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener, your kitchen and restaurant's reliable companion. This handheld, manual can opener boasts an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip and smooth edge cutting. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it ensures safe and hygienic food access. Say goodbye to jagged edges and messy spills. Whether you're in a professional kitchen or at home, this can opener makes quick work of cans, providing a clean and effortless opening experience. Upgrade your culinary tools with the PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener and enjoy the ease of opening cans like never before. Number 5, Pineapple Corer. Experience effortless pineapple preparation with the upgraded Newness Premium Pineapple Corer Remover in sleek black. This corer features reinforced, thicker blades that effortlessly glide through even the toughest pineapples, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to the hassle of slicing and peeling. Simply twist and pull to remove perfectly shaped pineapple rings. Its premium build ensures durability and longevity. Elevate your fruit presentation and make pineapple a breeze to enjoy with this essential kitchen tool. Upgrade to the Newness Pineapple Corer today for a sweeter, simpler life. Number 6, Modern Hand Towel Holder. Elevate your bathroom style with the Marmolix ACC Matte Black Towel Ring. This modern hand towel holder is not only functional but adds a touch of sophistication to your space. Crafted from durable SUS 304 stainless steel in an elegant matte black finish, it's built to last and resistant to rust. The wall-mounted design ensures easy installation and maximizes space efficiency. Keep your hand towels within reach and give your bathroom a sleek upgrade with this black towel hanger. Discover the perfect blend of form and function. Order the Marmolix ACC Matte Black Towel Ring today. Number 7, FEPPO Bag Sealer. Introducing the FEPPO Bag Sealer, your kitchen's new best friend for preserving freshness. This mini bag sealer packs a punch with a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, ensuring quick and efficient sealing. With 3 sealing gears and a 3.93-inch heating strip, it's versatile enough to seal a variety of bags, from chip bags to plastic and mylar bags. Say goodbye to stale snacks and wasted food. This food sealing machine is a must-have kitchen gadget to keep your pantry organized and your snacks crisp. Elevate your food storage game with the FEPPO Bag Sealer. Seal the deal on freshness today. Number 8. MOSFiATA 7-inch Nakiri Chef's Knife. Elevate your culinary experience with the MOSFiATA 7 Nakiri Chef's Knife. Crafted from German high-carbon stainless steel EN 1.4116, this vegetable knife is your versatile kitchen companion. Its sharp blade effortlessly glides through vegetables, making prep work a breeze. Plus, it comes with a finger guard for added safety. The elegant micarta handle not only provides a comfortable grip but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. This multi-purpose kitchen knife arrives in a stylish gift box, making it an ideal present for any cooking enthusiast. Upgrade your kitchen tools with the MOSFiATA Nakiri Chef's Knife and enjoy precision and performance in one package. Number 9. Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards. Introducing Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards, your kitchen's guardian angels. This set includes 2 premium 304 stainless steel finger protectors, ensuring your safety while cutting, slicing, and chopping vegetables, fruits, and meat. Say goodbye to kitchen accidents and hello to hassle-free food preparation. These guards fit comfortably on your fingers and are designed to keep your hands away from sharp blades. Plus, they come in a sleek gift box, making them a thoughtful present for any home cook. Elevate your kitchen safety and protect your digits with Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards. Cook with confidence and precision. Order yours today. Number 10. Coghlan's 1219 Trash Can. Keep your campsite clean and organized with Coghlan's 1219 Trash Can, measuring 19 by 24 inches. This portable trash can is your outdoor sanitation solution. Its generous size accommodates all your camping trash while the sturdy construction ensures durability. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for storage. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy camping experience. Upgrade your outdoor adventures with Coghlan's Trash Can, and leave nature as beautiful as you found it. Get yours today. Number 11. Johnny Apple Peeler, Corer, Slicer. Introducing the Johnny Apple Peeler, your kitchen's new best friend. Effortlessly peel, core, and slice apples with precision using its stainless steel blades. Create perfect apple pies, snacks, or salads in seconds. The vibrant red VKP 1010 adds a pop of color to your kitchen while saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to tedious fruit prep and hello to culinary convenience. Get your Johnny Apple Peeler today and elevate your cooking game. Number 12. Egg Cracker Topper Set. Upgrade your breakfast routine with our Egg Cracker Topper Set. Crack both soft and hard-boiled eggs effortlessly using the stainless steel top cutter. This set includes 4 egg spoons and 4 egg cups, making it perfect for family brunches. Say goodbye to messy shells with the convenient shells remover. Elevate your kitchen tool collection and enjoy perfectly cracked eggs every morning. Breakfast has never been this easy and stylish. Get your Egg Cracker Topper Set now. Number 13. Kitchen Sink Strainer. Keep your kitchen sink clean and clog-free with the MR.SIGA Kitchen Sink Strainer. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these strainers are built to last and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This pack includes 3 strainers, ensuring your sink remains debris-free for longer. Say goodbye to messy sink blockages and hello to hassle-free dishwashing. Upgrade your kitchen with MR.SIGA today. Number 14. Theater Popcorn Popper. Elevate your movie nights with the Westminster Crazy Movie Theater Popcorn Popper. This gourmet popcorn maker machine features a non-stick popcorn kettle, ensuring perfect popcorn every time. Included with the machine are a measuring tool and popcorn scoop, making preparation a breeze. With a generous 4-quart capacity, it's ideal for family gatherings or movie marathons. Add a dash of style to your kitchen with the vibrant red design. Get ready for a cinematic experience in the comfort of your home. Upgrade to the Westminster Crazy Popcorn Popper today. Number 15. Bottle Refrigerator Wine Rack. Organize your favorite beverages with the M-Design Stackable Plastic 3-Bottle Refrigerator Wine Rack. Designed for convenience, this kitchen storage organizer accommodates champagne, wine, or water bottles with ease. The clear, sleek linear collection design adds a touch of sophistication to your fridge. This package includes 2 racks that are stackable, saving you precious refrigerator space. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and keep your bottles neatly arranged. Elevate your kitchen organization with the InDesign wine rack. Order your 2-pack today. Number 16, Sophie and Panda Fuzzy Ball Towel. Introducing the Sophie and Panda Fuzzy Ball Towel Set, a perfect blend of function and style for your bathroom. This set of 2 towels in white and gray not only dries your hands instantly but also adds a touch of creativity to your decor. The fuzzy ball design sets them apart, making them decorative towels that enhance your bathroom's ambience. Say goodbye to wet hands in style. Elevate your bathroom with the Sophie and Panda Towel Set. Order yours now and experience both convenience and aesthetics. Number 17, PRAKI Airtight Food Storage Containers Set. Get your kitchen and pantry perfectly organized with the PRAKI Airtight Food Storage Containers Set. This set includes 24 BPA-free containers with secure lids, ensuring your cereals, flour, sugar, and more stay fresh and protected from moisture and pests. Plus, we've included labels and a marker for easy labeling and identification. Streamline your kitchen storage while maintaining food quality. Choose PRAKI for a clutter-free and organized kitchen. Order your set today. Number 18, Plastic Egg Holder. Keep your eggs fresh and accessible with the InDesign Plastic Egg Holder for refrigerator. This fridge storage organizer, with its clear design, allows you to easily see the quantity of eggs left. It features a convenient handle and lid for secure and easy transport. Say goodbye to egg carton clutter and hello to a more organized refrigerator. Get your set today and elevate your kitchen storage with InDesign. Number 19, Milk Frother Handheld. Experience the ultimate coffee indulgence with the Zulli Double Whisk Milk Frother Handheld in a delightful cotton candy color. This high-powered electric drink mixer boasts an improved motor, making it perfect for crafting barista-quality cappuccinos, fraps, matcha, and more at home. Elevate your morning routine and impress your guests with velvety frothed milk. With the Zulli Milk Frother, your coffee creations reach new heights. Add a pop of color to your kitchen and make every sip a joy. Get yours today and start savoring cafe-quality drinks from the comfort of your home. Number 20, Electric Food Chopper. Introducing the Black Plus Decker HC150B 1.5 Cup One-Touch Electric Food Chopper, your kitchen's perfect companion for effortless food preparation. With a generous 1.5 cup capacity, it handles chopping, mincing, and dicing tasks with ease. The one-touch operation simplifies your cooking process, saving you time and effort. Whether you're whipping up salsas, sauces, or chopping herbs, this food chopper is your go-to tool. Upgrade your kitchen efficiency with the Black Plus Decker HC150B and enjoy hassle-free meal prep at your fingertips. Number 21, Magnetic Spice Rack. Revamp your kitchen organization with the Houpeton 2-pack Magnetic Spice Rack. This ingenious solution lets you install a magnetic shelf on the side of your refrigerator, saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Keep your spices and essentials within easy reach while adding a touch of modern flair to your kitchen decor. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized cooking experience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Houpeton Magnetic Spice Rack today and enjoy convenient, space-saving storage. Number 22, 19 Pieces Knife Set. Elevate your kitchen with the Excellence Black 19-piece knife set with block. This comprehensive set includes essential knives for all your culinary needs, along with a built-in sharpener to keep your blades at their best. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. These knives are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after meal prep. Upgrade your cooking game with this versatile and stylish knife block set. Choose Excellence Black for precision, convenience, and culinary excellence. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.